take this ball away from you. You're not being nice.
Where's my boy? No, I mean if she...
Yeah, that's just play right there.
I have a wide lens too. Do you want to pop the wide lens on?
It would probably make life easier.
Alright.
What are you doing, man? Yeah, her biggest issue is she does think every toy is hers.
Yeah.
Wait, I can't stop yet.
Okay.
Oh, they just circled each other. They just circled each other.